Everybody, good day. So I'm going to go quick with this video. Like how you can make money basically on WhatsApp is by posting on your status. Like these are the content I post usually on my status. So the more views I get and the people are engaging in my status, I can use this and just start up a mini business. Maybe I advertise people's products, people I trust, or people that are licensed. Then my views, all of them, if they ask information, I link them to the company. I might even get some percentage, but they pay me first before I even post anything. I don't post free. So you can start to enter many WhatsApp group, ask them I want to ask the admin I want to post my WhatsApp account link, let people chat me up, or you chat them privately, save my number, save your number, they view your status, I make your cool cash. So that is it basically. So take care, and once again.